Have you ever wondered if there is life on other planets?
What's so special about our Earth that it has the ability to sustain life? It has an atmosphere that protects us from the sun's harmful rays and has sufficient gases like oxygen. Not to mention the presence of water, which makes up 3/4 of the Earth.
Today, let's learn about the essential of life and the relationship with these processes. Carbon-oxygen cycle, the essential of life. You will learn the following: basic definition of carbon and oxygen cycle, importance of carbon and oxygen, and lastly, the whole cycle.
What is the carbon-oxygen cycle? The process through which plants use carbon dioxide to make their own food, especially during photosynthesis, and produce oxygen by which we and other animals inhale. It also says how oxygen and carbon are related.
How important is this to us living things? Generally, all animals, including aquatic, need oxygen to survive, except for other bacteria. On the other hand, plants need carbon dioxide. Sufficient supply of oxygen and carbon dioxide, or a balance of these gases, play a vital role on sustaining a healthy life on Earth between animals and plants. It is also essential in maintaining the right temperature on Earth, thus preventing global warming that has other negative environmental effects. Here is a diagram of the carbon-oxygen cycle. As mentioned above, the carbon-oxygen cycle is simply the exchanges of carbon and oxygen gases through the three major and minor processes, namely photosynthesis, respiration, combustion, and decomposition, that makes a continuous cycle which sustains life on Earth. Photosynthesis. This is the process when plants make their own food. When green plants take in carbon dioxide and water using the chlorophyll in their leaves and energy from the sun, they release oxygen, sugar, and water vapor. Formula for photosynthesis. On the left, plants take in carbon dioxide and water and use the sun's energy. And on the right, their byproducts are simple sugar, oxygen, and water vapor. Respiration. Now animals take in simple sugar and oxygen, and they release carbon dioxide, water, and energy. From here, we could see the relation of animals with plants. Formula for respiration. On the left, we take in sugar and oxygen, and on the right, our byproducts are water, carbon dioxide, and energy. Combustion. This is the process of burning. When combustion takes place, carbon dioxide is released into the atmosphere. Natural combustion includes volcanic eruptions. But most pollution problems occur because of us humans. We release carbon dioxide because of our cars and factories by burning fossil fuels, and we cause pollution. Decomposition, a minor part of the carbon and oxygen cycle. This is when any organic matter, plants or animals, are broken down chemically into all the simple elements and being returned to the environment. Visual time! As you could see, all of these dead chickens will be decomposed by certain bacteria. All of its elements, such as carbon, water, and oxygen, will return to the environment and will return to what it was made of. Usually, ashes. Bak bak bak! Certain bacteria and animals that help the decomposition process are known as decomposers, and the animals that feed on carcass are known as scavengers. The right amount of plants or trees, as well as animals, with the balance of these processes, is necessary in a healthy environment, beneficial to all organisms in sustaining life and a happy Earth. After all, this is the only planet and place we live in, and we must work hand in hand to protect it. Here are the sources. Thank you for watching. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up if you liked it.
Created using Powtoon.